Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a dynamic creative. Okay, so Facebook launched a new option where you can actually test multiple creatives, and what that means is that Facebook will actually optimize the one ad that's getting the most traction. Okay, so that could be sales, it could be engagement, clicks, likes, shares, whatever it is. Okay, so and obviously that's depending on your campaign objective. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to create a test campaign here. So let's call it just test, and for this one I'm going to use the conversion campaign objective. Okay, let's call this test, call this test. So very straightforward. You set up the campaign as you normally would. Okay, and then this time, now normally I do recommend that you start with the ads first. Okay, but you can't actually set up dynamic creatives without going into the ad sets first. Okay, so click on edit, find the ad set, and then this is where you want to go. Okay, so where it says the dynamic creative, you want to enable that. Okay, continue, and that's it, it's ready. Okay, so click on the ads tab and let's go edit the ad. Okay, so as usual, just set up the ad as you normally would. If you're gonna run ads to Instagram and Facebook, then just make sure you have the profile selected. Okay, for this we're gonna just use image ads. So I want to select something from my account. I'm just going to use this for now, and then we're going to test different types of ads. Okay, so this is a test ad, and then you can add a separate text if you want to test multiple copies. Okay, so if you want to test one image and multiple copies, this is the way you can do it. Okay. This is another test ad. Okay, and then you can add a third copy. We're testing this too. Okay, so if you want to, if there's a scenario where you have one image and you want to test multiple ad copies, this is how you would do it. Okay, and if you just wanted to test one copy with multiple images, just get rid of these and then just add more images here. Okay, so we'll add this one. And if there's another dog one anywhere, we'll add that one as well. There's a nice horse one here. In fact, let's just leave it at this. So we've got two images now, and we're going to test two images and one copy. Okay. As always, just submit your URL, etc. Display links if you want it. Headline. This is another test. Okay, and you can do exactly as you've always created an ad. Okay, so you can select your ad copies, you can select different call to action buttons. You can even test like call to action buttons, so that's pretty cool. Okay, and you can also test more headlines. So if you want to get really kind of creative and you want to get really deep, you can test multiple headlines in this. Okay, and yeah, that's basically it. That's exactly how you create and set up dynamic creative ads. Okay, so my tips for this would be keep it simple, because obviously, if you've got too many images, too many texts, too many headlines, it's going to get difficult for you to track performance. Okay, so the way I would do it is within each ad set, I'll test one variable at a time. Okay, so the first thing I'll test is images. I'll test 5 images, but the same ad copy. Okay, in the second ad set, I'll test the same image, but 5 different ad copies. Okay, and then in the third ad set, I'll test the same image, the same copy, but I'll try 5 different headlines. Okay, so just keep it as simple as possible and contained within each ad set, and you'll be fine. Okay, so that's exactly how you do dynamic creatives, and I'll see you on the next video.